ProtonMail gift cards can be a great way to access premium features for your email service. Follow these steps to redeem your gift card easily. Step 1. Log into your ProtonMail account. Visit the ProtonMail website and log into your existing account. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one before you can redeem a gift card. Step 2. Navigate to the settings. Once logged in, locate the settings icon, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to open the settings menu. Step 3. Select the upgrade option. In the settings menu, look for the upgrade or subscription section. Click on this option to view available plans in the area to enter your gift card code. Step 4. Enter your gift card code. Find the field designated for gift card codes. Enter the code from your gift card carefully, ensuring there are no typos. After entering the code, click on the Redeem button. Step 5. Confirm the upgrade. After redeeming a gift card, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your account has been upgraded. Review your account settings to ensure the new features are activated. Now you can enjoy the benefits of your ProtonMail premium features.